Good morning, class 10th. As we are discussing nationalism in Europe, today we are going to discuss one most important point that the cultural movement gave the shape to the nationalism. For this, we should start with this PPT. And as we discussed in the last class of June, that these traditions were followed by each and every nation. Every nation have the cultural and traditions in roots. So the people believed that they have to follow the things in a very well mannered with their culture, with their tradition, folklores, poems, art forms. It these all things met the environment for nationalism. So I am sharing this PPT. Romanticism. Now these people start thinking about the methodology. Previously, they always writing about the kings and queens. Now they start writing about the common people, new objects added. Percy Bysshe Shelley, he was the first person, classic and extourism. Now things changed. Just have a look on it. The things, tradition changed. Emotion and imagination were logic and intellect. As we discussed about the story of Don Quixote, there was no logical thing. Okay. Similarly, the poets, whosoever is writing, he or she is writing about the lovers and beloved with the hyperbolic imagination, several personification, several metaphors and similes. For example, if you heard about the poem Skylark, it is about a bird, but he used all kind of natural beauty as well as similes and metaphors. Several things. Now the freedom was given to the romantic era poet that they should write down whatever they feel. Now this is the painting. At the back painting, generally this is general painting. This is imagination that they are seeing the sea of fog. Means uncertainty in rule. No one's knowing that what is going on, what is not going on. Uncertainty among the people. This picture shows this one. Then again, symbolic pictures. The artist also gave the symbolic pictures. Just have a look on it. Now, this was the capturization of the powers. Symbolic, again symbolic. Now, this is the artistic approach. The females start fight for their rights. Even kids also. Fantasy. This was the contribution of these people. Now, the points which you have to remember: Romanticism was a cultural movement for the development of certain type of nationalist feeling. Romantic artists did not appreciate the glorification. Yes, glorification was stopped. Why the glorification of king and queens? Now the glorification with the emotion of each and every person, of every citizens. In Germany, Romanticism was spread through the folklores, folk dance and folk poetry. the folklores, folk dance and folk poetry. So if you want to know about the roots of the country or roots of the state, you have to go through with these things: folklores, folk dance and folk poetry. As we are belonging to the Rajasthan, there are several stories of the bravery of Maharana Pratap, and you heard about the famous poem that Are Gasri Roti Jat Ban Milawado Le Bhagyu. So these type of folklores impels the others. Okay, nationalists through the opera music and literary masses. That was opera is the great literary masses. Through this, they give the information about the nationalist feeling. Language was used the separate nationalist feeling in Poland, which was under Russian domains, that they have to use their own language. And language is one of the best part to unite each and every person. So these were the points of Romanticism. And student, you are having one question on the Romanticism. This is the answer. You have to write down in points. Okay. So revise all these points and be ready for the discussion in Zoom class. If you have any doubt, consult with me. Okay, dear. So this was Romanticism. I'm again revising the points that the feeling of nationalism was strengthened through the encouragement of art, music, dance, and all culture form of drama, literature, everything. Romanticism was one of the best part. Generally, they use the folklores, folk music, folk poetry, generally used by the people. And it is in vernacular language. Remember this thing, not aristocratic language. Vernacular language is more important for each and everyone. That we are connected with the vernacular language instead of aristocratic languages. Nationalism is Poland is led with the literature movement, and in opera, music, everything reunited the nations. Generally, if you connected with these things with the India, Vande Mataram was written during the time of nationalist movement. Okay, Janagan Mana Dinayak, it was also written during that time. Bharat Bhagya Vidata means the things through the poetry, artistic form, or through the music, dance, it generates the unity among the people. So, Romanticism influenced others to write down the real thing instead of praising king, queens, and their family members. It is a better thing to write down about the basic culture, basic tradition, social environment, what the society feels, why the society was rigid on the topics, what things should be accepted by the people, what should not be accepted by the people. So through these things, it's spread among the people. And you know that the poetry is the thing which is liked by from kids to the adolescents people and old age people. So through the poetry, through their imagination, through their writing, just see that picture of fog. It is gave the message also that uncertainty in the environment, we are not knowing what is going on. So these things generate in the mind of the people for the betterment of life, and these cultural movement create one more step for the combined national feeling among the countrymen, those who are living over there. Language is the most important part. We discussed thoroughly that the person, those who are using same kind of language, having same kind of tradition, having same kind of lifestyle, united very quickly. So this was there. I hope you understand. And if you have any doubt, consult with me in your regular Zoom class. Thank you.